This work is titled Subsidium Structurae, which in Latin means support structures. What inspired me for this artwork was beginning with a site-responsive and site-specific approach. So I was designated this shop, 11 The Parade in Tumbarumba, and it was when I was still in London, so I was just sent images. And it was really difficult to get a sense of the scale, even though I had architectural plans so I could see the measurements, but it's very different when you're in a space and you can feel it and you understand what it's like to move through it. Previously, I have worked a lot with timber and specifically reclaimed material, and Tumbarumba in the Snowy Valleys region is a timber area. So everything except for the two figures in the artwork, which were repurposed from a previous artwork of mine, all of the other material has been sourced locally. And I guess I wanted to do this from a couple of different perspectives. A, it's like getting the specific material locally, and then you're also reducing your carbon footprint by not having to transport this material very far. But then what I love about it is actually the interwoven narrative and the stories of where this material has come from, what it has been before, who is delivering it, and you're meeting people in the community, and that is all layered into the artwork. And I think that that is embedded into it. And it's been a journey. It's been a real journey, and it's been a wonderful way to actually connect with people. It's just trying to be really present, and it's all about conversation, and that is the concept of the artwork. It's about how to create bridges of support and communication between people that feed back in a cycle. And that's what I have experienced from the community here, and I really hope that the artwork continues to activate that sort of dialogue.